Hello beautiful friend, and welcome to clue number 5 of our year-long mystery crochet along Connote. This month we have a new stitch for you to learn, some gorgeous stripes, and a beautiful sentiment. The theme for this month's clue is peace for today. Life can get busy, and sometimes we forget to cultivate peace in our own heart. Peace really is found in that deep, calm, inner part of ourselves. So if we can just tune out the outside world for a little bit, we're gonna find that peace deep inside of our own selves. It's like a little secret garden inside of yourself where no one else is invited. And you can go there anytime you like, anytime you need a little bit of a breather or a break. And so this month, I hope you're able to cultivate a little bit of peace and spend some time in your own inner garden. To work this clue, you are gonna need some yarn, of course. And if you're working the Radiant Fairytale palette, you're gonna need Hibiscus Flower, which is a juicy, delicious coral. It really reminds me of summer. For the Tranquil Dreams palette, you're gonna need Vermont, which is a lovely calming neutral. You are gonna be creating some gorgeous stripes in this clue, so you will be using last month's color as well. And as always, hang on to all of your extra yarn because you never know when you're gonna need it. Hop on over to expressionfiberarts.com and download the newest clue and grab the yarn, and let me show you how to work this month's special stitch. For this month, you're gonna need to know how to work a V-stitch, and it is a little bit different from other V-stitches you may have worked, so let me show you how that goes. To work our V-stitch, we're gonna start with a long double crochet. So we're gonna skip this next stitch, and then the next single crochet, you're gonna drop down 2 rows, and that's where we're gonna work our long double crochet. Go ahead and yarn over and insert your hook down here, pull up a loop, and you wanna give it a little tug, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see it's the same on the front as the back. Now you're gonna work a single crochet right here on top of that. Then we're gonna work another long double crochet into this same stitch. Yarn over, insert into that same stitch, 2 rows below, yarn over, pull up a long loop, give it a tug, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there's your beautiful little V-stitch that looks just as gorgeous on the front as it does on the back. So enjoy this beautiful day, have an amazing month, and I will see you next month with clue number 6. Bye!